Hey everyone, John here from Diode. Today in the garage, we'll be showing you how to install our new SS5 CrossLink Lightbar Kit like you see here on this 2023 Can-Am Maverick X3. Inside the vehicle, disconnect the passenger seat belts by pulling the loop end through and out of the harness. Next, adjust the seat forward by pulling the lever towards you and pushing the seat up. With the seat forward, reach behind the seat and use an 18mm ratchet and remove 2 gold locking nuts. Next, adjust the seat all the way back and remove the 2 front mounting bolts using a 13mm wrench and ratchet. Once removed, lift the seat out and set aside. Remove the access panel along the passenger side console by gently pulling away from the retention tabs, starting in the left corner and set aside. Repeat for the forwardmost panel. You'll now have access to the battery. Use a 10mm socket to disconnect the positive lead and secure away from the terminal. Peel back the rubber cover on the bus bar and use a 10mm ratchet to loosen the positive and negative connections and add in the positive and negative leads from the harness. Run switch leads to the desired location, making sure to avoid any moving parts. You can connect your own switch or use the one provided. Confirm function before final placement. Do not route through the drive shaft. Next, use a T30 Torx bit to remove 1 bolt on the outer cowl. Pull the outer cowl away and run the DT connector up and through to the roof. On the passenger side roof, remove 2 quick release pins by turning them counterclockwise. Lift the roof and continue running the harness, hugging the roll bar along the way to the front corner of the roof. Pull through about 5 inches of wire and secure the roof with quick release pins by reinserting and turning clockwise while pushing down. Next, we can grab our bracket and hold it in place using the included bolts and washers. Then, the washers and locking nuts on the other side. Tighten everything down using a 10mm socket and wrench. Repeat the same steps for the driver's side. Now we can assemble our SS5 CrossLink Lightbar. We'll align the lightbar to the first notch on the CrossLink hardware. Check out the video in the description below for all the steps on how to assemble and adjust your CrossLink Lightbar. With our light bar assembled, use a 10mm socket to secure both support link mounts to the underside of the CrossLink hardware after the 3rd pod on both sides. Grab a friend and lift the CrossLink Lightbar into place. Line up the top 2 mounting points onto the through holes of the bracket and secure using the included 10mm bolt on both sides. Align the top bolt to the center of the mount and secure firmly, then tighten the lower bolt. With a friend, have them slightly push out on the CrossLink assembly. While they're pushing, adjust the support link mount to press against the roof and tighten with a 13mm wrench and a 13mm socket. Repeat the process on the other support link mount. With everything secure, begin plugging in the 8-pod CrossLink harness to each pod, making sure the male end of the harness is on the passenger side. Plug the DT connector we ran earlier into the harness, reconnect the positive battery lead, and test for function. With everything functioning properly, secure any loose wiring using zip ties and put everything back together how we took it apart. To make any aiming adjustments, loosen the 10mm bolts that hold the light bar in place and tilt it up or down until the desired aim is achieved. As you can see, with our SS5 CrossLink Lightbar Kit installed, not only does it provide you with an aggressive off-road appearance, but you also have an insane amount of added light in front of your vehicle. In addition to the high output, our SS5s come with 8 selectable backlight colors that can be easily cycled using the included toggle switch when the main beam isn't in use. If you're looking to pick up an SS5 CrossLink Lightbar Kit for your ride or any of our other products, be sure to visit our website at diodedynamics.com or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. And if you want to stay up to date on the latest and greatest products coming to the market, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. Thanks for watching.